Right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and all his rangers pulling on. Hello. Tune in. Hello, guys. It's your girl, Tasha the Boss Chick. And I have a special guest with me on today. I'm super excited. It's the holiday season. How many of you are ready? As you notice, the title is What to Do for the Holiday. We're definitely going to give you guys some suggestions. We want you to use your money wisely this holiday. So, yeah, tune in. Let us know where you're chiming in from, where you're watching from. Definitely want to give everybody about 10 more seconds to tag somebody to this post and tell them to hop on. Let's go. Hey. How many of y'all happy during this season? You should be happy. This is not a time to frown. Yes. All right. With that being said, again, it's Tasha Wilson, the Boss Chick, your favorite serial entrepreneur, former educator, full-time investor. And I have my good girlfriend with me, Miss Money Chemistry, Kimberly, in the building. She is here out of Atlanta, Georgia. So when I say here, that means I'm here too. We're down south, and where they have the Southern hospitality going on. So Miss Kimberly, how you doing on this evening?
I am doing wonderful, Latasha Boss Chick. I'm ready to get into the season, and I'm ready to get into 2022. What about you?
I am so ready. Well, you know what? At first, I wasn't. Now, this is my favorite time of the year during the holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Hanukkah, all that good stuff, right? But, considering the recent passing of my mom, it's just been 4 months ago. It's kind of been hard, it's definitely not the same, but I still thank God in spite of, I thank God for people like my family, people like you, business partners, wealth partners, who I can just count on and who I can, just come live with. And y'all help me just stay focused and pull my bootstraps up. And I got to keep it forward, right? Got to make mine proud. So, yeah, this is a season where I'm typically always, jolly, and I decorate usually in November. But how about I'm just decorating today? Like tonight, I decorated.
Give yourself a pass. At least you are decorating,
Absolutely. Because I almost didn't do it. And that would have been the first ever in my life that I've never decorated, So I thank God in spite of the joy of the Lord is my strength. So
absolutely.
With that being said, my sister, definitely enjoy, being in this large industry, financial industry with you guys. For those who don't know, myself and Miss Kimberly, we are investors, full-time investors. We are traders. Some may call us day traders, intraday traders. Hey, swing, long-term traders. We do it all when it comes to cryptocurrency, and binary options. So for those of you who don't know what that is, we are the ladies who will definitely be very resourceful in guiding you, in some smart, wise investments for the holiday. So many people are huge consumers during this time, but we want to come on and just give you a little bit of what our platform looks like, what it entails, and just really give you an option. You have a choice, right? What is it? A few years ago, I wouldn't even say a few, about 20, 30 years ago, we didn't have an option to get in this space, right? And we can actually go back to the 60s, to the 50s, 1950. You literally had to have 300,000 sitting in the bank just to tap into this space. And that still wasn't enough, right? It still wasn't tapping the surface, okay? A lot of people who pretty much were born with silver spoons in their mouths, your trust fund babies, they knew about this. But people like my color, Miss Kimberly skin tone, we didn't grow up privy to this information and had the luxury of being able to say, oh, let's invest, or our parents coming to us saying, hey, we have this set up for you, and building generational wealth. I didn't hear that, but I definitely, thank God for now, fast forward, that we were not exempt. We may not have been early adopters, but we were not exempt. How many of you were not privy to this information as well? So on tonight, we're definitely going to share with you our platform, how it is that you can connect with us, because it is referral based only. We provide a full educational platform, an academy that's out of this world, top of the line banking software, technology. Guys, technology is where we're at and where the future is going. If you have not, if you antiquated and still talking about, oh girl, I don't know how to use the phone too good, I don't know how to use computers and all of that, let me tell you, you don't know how to make no money then. Okay. So Kimberly, let them know, what it is that you've been doing in this space and why for the holiday they need to make this an option.
I'm so glad you asked that. I'm so excited. So the reason, okay, so basically, again, like Latasha Boss Chick said, we were not privy to this information. I never knew the foreign exchange market ever existed. And it was quite interesting when I found out that, okay, if I only knew about stocks and real estate, which I had neither, I wasn't, I had stocks, a few stocks, but it wasn't enough to really build a substantial amount of wealth. So what I did was, I was invited to a friend of a friend's home, and I was introduced to this market, and what was a no-brainer for me was the fact that you mean to tell me that I can invest in this particular platform. I can invest in the foreign exchange market, and that is liquid assets. That's liquid money that I can actually take out and I can utilize. Because if you put your money in the stock market, you got to wait for that to accrue over a period of time. And if you have, and a lot of times people don't have the type of capital to buy investment properties such as real estate, homes and remodeling or flipping. So you got to have capital. You got to have, X amount of dollars, 50,000, 100,000, 300,000 in order to really to flip houses and become real estate investors. So let me tell you what I've been able to do inside of this space. So recently, a couple of weeks ago, actually 2 weeks ago, I took a trip to Vegas. And when I took a trip to Vegas, I wanted to go for a little relaxation, and of course, cryptocurrency. It was cryptocurrency funded. I wanted to take, I just wanted to go somewhere that I've never been, just see the sights. While I was there, I was able to acquire land. I was able to acquire land on the Vegas Strip, which is there's going to be multi-million-dollar, billion-dollar projects that's going to be coming down the line right now. So what does that do for the land that I just purchased? The value of it's going to go up. In addition to that, it allowed me to have access to some of the world's exotic destinations in all of the world. So it doesn't matter where you are, whether it's Asia, whether it's Dubai. Let me tell you, if you want to go on vacation, you can utilize one of my resorts. And that's the thing that allowed me to really accumulate that, because cryptocurrency, being in this investing stage and this investing it gives you so much confidence, and it allows you to even think more and more on a business person level, the rich, the wealthy. It allows you to think like that, because when you make decisions, that was different from me, because I was like, I've never owned land in a different state, but I was okay. It was just okay. Once I did it, it was like, wow, okay, I did it. Now it's time to put the work in, and sometimes you as a person, when you're thinking like the rich and the wealthy, it doesn't take them long to make decisions.
Right.
Yeah, the poor, you gotta, let me see. Well, let me, I don't know. Let me check. No, we are living in a day and a time where we have to make sound decisions, but we gotta make them kind of quickly. And with all of the things that's happening as far as inflation and things of that nature, let me tell you one thing about cryptocurrency, guys. It is forever money. It's not like the US dollar, because once you spend US dollar money, it's spent. Cryptocurrency is forever money. And forever money means if I have $700 and I decided I want to take 200 of that from Bitcoin and invest it in something else or do something else with it, guess what? I have $500 left. Probably by the time, maybe in 2 or 3 months, or maybe just in a very, very short period of time, guess what? That $500 is going to go right back to $700, even if I didn't put any other money with it. Hear me. 700, take 200, do something else with it. I have $500 left. And I don't put any other money into that, buy any more Bitcoin. Guess what? Based upon the price of Bitcoin as it moves, guess what? My $500 is going to become $700 again. So that's what I mean about forever money. It continuously, that's going to be money that's going to be forever, ladies and gentlemen. So thank you so very much, Boss Chick.
Absolutely. Well, first, I want to say congratulations on the new investment property. One thing about those resorts now, because Airbnb is on the scene, baby, you can double dip. Okay. You can not only enjoy your investment property, but definitely you can get another stream of income and list it on Airbnb. So definitely something you may want to think about. I have some things coming down the pipeline, opened up a new LLC on this week. So definitely, girl, we are going to be in there like swimwear 2022.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And so those of you who are listening, who are watching, guys, we are showing people the new rules of money. We're showing you how to diversify your finances, how to become your own bank. We even have a platform that once you're on the other side and you partner with us, we will show you how to be able to leverage your current income or your current savings, put it in a private DeFi banking system, right? And you'll be able to give yourselves a loan, okay? With your own assets, with your own money that you transfer into crypto. And there are several different cryptocurrencies that hold a lot of weight, a lot of value, and we'll share with you what those are. Not only will you be able to become your own bank and take out cash money on your assets that you have in this DeFi banking system that we'll teach you about and you'll learn more about, but you'll also accumulate interest every single week. Okay, so we're going to show you how to not only grow your current income or your savings, whatever it is that you want to transfer and start your own banking system with, but we're also going to show you how to accumulate interest on it. And then we're going to turn around and show you how to trade some of that if you desire to pull it out, or if you just desire to let it sit and just accumulate and just appreciate over time, then definitely you can do that as well. But I'm sharing my screen, and those of you who are on Instagram, thank you for joining me on today. I do have my good wealth partner with me, Miss Kimberly, Money Chemistry, we call her. She's a bad saxophone artist, y'all. So y'all look her up too. But we know or have heard of Robert Kiyosaki. He is the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad. Y'all, recently this month, he just released a statement. He said cryptocurrency has revolutionized money to the borderless. Some cryptocurrencies will be worth more than all the Western money in the US dollars combined. Okay, so crypto right now, and we're talking about specifically Bitcoin, Ethereum. Like Bitcoin, guys, it has outrun gold. It has outrun any other asset right now in the last 2 years, well, 2 to 3 years, right? It's the fastest growing asset, even over real estate. So those of you who, again, are buying gifts for the holiday, we definitely urge you, we suggest that you really find a person like myself, Miss Kimberly, connect with us and learn how to invest wisely for this holiday season. Don't just be frivolously spending a ton of money, guys, spending on, all these name brands. I love me some name brands, but if you got more name brand purses, shoes, and all of that kind of stuff, then you have properties, then you have assets, then that's a problem. And I know we were talking earlier, Kimberly, about our community. I'm talking about African-American communities, how we're typically not invited into this wealth space. And we're not. But we're the first ones to go out and buy all of these name brands, these designers who don't even like our color, right?
Absolutely.
So
We're
this
the
holiday,
consumers.
I urge you to be wiser. Don't keep doing the same things that you've been doing year after year. And then here it is by New Year's or a few days, January 2nd, right after you've celebrated, you've had your drinks, you've had your parties, you've had your fiestas, you had your crab boils, seafood crab boils. You just spent tons of money. And now you got to wait to go to work again for 2 more weeks, 4 more weeks before you can re-up again and do anything else that you desire to do. Guys, we don't want to keep going backwards. We want to move forward. And so that's why I come, just every single day, and I make sure that I'm in a space to where I am always adding value to my social media and sharing this information, because it's changed my life. It's changed Kimberly's life as well. So what are we talking about? We're talking about cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is officially the biggest bank. If you would have just invested $100 just in 2010, you'll be worth well over $72 million. I have to keep saying this because one day it's going to click with somebody and they're going to say, wait a minute, it's just 2021. In 2010, just 11 years ago, I knew I heard about this back then, but I didn't move because I didn't believe it was real, because I think I know it all. And if I don't hear my friends doing it and, my whole community doing it, I don't jump on it. I wait till it's a trend or till it's a fad. Why do we always have to be late to the game or late to the party, guys? I want you, the person who's watching us right now, be an early adopter. You can still get in early right now with Ethereum. You can still get in with Mana and with so many other cryptos. I'm not going to tell y'all all of them because you got to get this education. But you can still come in this space and learn how to still invest and ride the wave, whether the market goes up or whether the market goes down. Guys, we're going to show you how to double dutch and get in at the right time and secure the bag and profit here and profit there, have several streams of income, okay? And so I want to share with you a video as well from my platform. I really love our corporate video. For those who don't know, we have an academy and we have over 200 educators. I'm talking about expert educators. They specialize in reading the market, reading options, reading candlesticks, giving you wise advice on when to go in on a buy, when to sell in the market. And I hope I don't look sad, Kim. I'm looking up at the phone for Instagram because I got to make sure they see my face and hear my sincerity. And then I'm looking back to the laptop. So can you see me clearly, Kimberly?
Yes, I can.
All right. Hope I ain't looking cross at y'all. I got good vision. Actually, I went to the eye doctor today, but I'm excited. So I want to share with you some of our services explained in the video. So Instagram, I'm going to pick you up in a minute and I'm going to turn the phone around so that you can see this video as well. I can go on presenting, but I think they did an excellent job. We are continuing to upgrade our banking software, guys. We have apps that will literally text you and give you the answers. All right. We have money apps where you can make multiple streams of income from as well, right from the comfort of your home. So some of you may have vacation time when you're on the beach, when you're traveling during this holiday. You don't want to miss a day where you're not making income. Just because you didn't go to work doesn't mean you have to not make money, guys. Over
Absolutely.
here, we'll show you how to make money just from pushing the right buttons. So I'm gonna go ahead and share this. Hopefully everybody will be able to see it. Do you have another, are you live on all your devices, Kimberly, or just one?
Just one for right now.
Okay, so check this out. When I go live, I know I push make it where they can hear the sound. So I was going to ask you if you can go on another device and check us out on Facebook just to make sure our audience here.
I am. I'm already.
Okay. But mute yourself out on this side, on this particular platform. Okay. All right. I'm about to push play. Y'all tune in, take some notes, and we're going to be right back.
Do you realize that 95% of the money in the world is owned by 5% of the population? Well, in the next few minutes, my goal is to help you get in that 5% bracket. And if you're already in it, stay tuned because I think by the end, you'll be quite interested. I want to introduce you to a company called I Am Mastery Academy. who's been in business for over 8 years and has educated over 1 million students worldwide. Through their educational platform, you gain access to one of the world's largest online education academies, where you will gain access to numerous videos, trainings, softwares, and strategies, including automated algorithms to help you learn how to trade in the largest financial market in the world. One of the academies available is known as High Frequency Trading, where you can learn how to get in a trade and within minutes have the trade completed and done. So if you're looking for something fast and you don't have a lot of patience waiting for a trade to complete, then High Frequency Trading is for you. The second academy you can test out is known as FRX, or the Foreign Exchange Academy, where you can learn how to take full advantage of the foreign exchange, where according to Bloomberg.com, does over $6.6 trillion a day. You will learn how to understand currency movements, the different types of chart analysis, how foreign markets operate, and the best strategies to enter into trades in the Forex market. And finally, the third academy is called DCX, where you can take advantage of the digital currency markets, one of the largest financial markets growing towards 1 trillion USD. What's unique about this market? This market operates 24/7, quickly shaping the way stores and merchants that now accept digital currencies to conduct business. Learn how this market operates, the different types of digital currencies, and how to gain a solid working knowledge of using digital currencies safely every day as this market continues to grow significantly. So if you like cryptocurrency, this is the academy for you. Want to access live trading? Well, now you have it with Go Live, where you can accelerate your growth from a team of around 200 educators in many different languages, just giving you live education throughout the day and night. So now, instead of sitting back and watching videos, you can get live training as well as ask questions to the educators to get the answers you need. And oh, by the way, there won't be any upsells for more information and training either. Attending Go Live sessions may just change your financial situation. It's that good. On top of Go Live, you gain access to automated algorithms where right in front of your eyes, these scanners will find opportunities for you in the markets. So instead of having to do all the work yourself, these scanners will assist you in making good decisions in a fast-moving market. Along with the scanners, the company provides access to phone apps where you receive market ideas all throughout the day and night, from which come directly from Go Live educators, where you can see what they see and decide for yourself if that idea is a good one for you. In fact, you can even see how they came up with a market idea in the first place. So to make it simple, you have a few ways that you can get started with us. If you
Unmute yourself, boss chick. Okay.
All right, I'm here. I love it. Like, that video is everything. Like, it literally explained everything in our platform and what we offer you in our academy in 3.5 minutes, right? I stopped it because it was about to go into, how they can become an independent business owner and make more money. It's more money on the table, right? I love it. So tell me, in the video, it talked about how you can learn about the foreign exchange currencies. And this, guys, is where we teach you how to trade either the US dollar over the Japanese yen, or the Great British pound versus the Japanese yen or the Mexican peso. We trade one currency over the other, right? And then you have the platform that is binary options, our HFX, high frequencies. That's our money in minutes, where I tell everybody you can put your grandma and your grandpa on that because it's so simple. They like to sit on the, what do you call it at the casino?
The slot machines.
Yeah, the slot machines, and just push a button or pull the handle. All they got to do is push that blue button or that red button, and they making money in less than 2 minutes, right? They just watch to see what the screen tells them, and then they execute. So the HFX binary options is a real simple platform. And then I love crypto, because that's where we're headed. That's where our whole future of the economy is right now. And so we're getting a head start. So Kimberly, tell the people, what's your favorite academy and why? And then tell us like a quick testimony, like 60 seconds on why that's your favorite platform. Like maybe give us a little result, but of course, past results doesn't guarantee future profits, right? But just tell us something. Which one is your favorite?
Honestly, I like them all. I'm really digging cryptocurrency right now because crypto is that's the thing right now. Just understanding the charts. What gives me a thrill is I understand the charts. I understand how to read the charts because we already know that being a part of this space and understanding, you'll see this as you become a part of the community, that the market always tends to go back. It always tends to go back to a certain point. And once you understand that and you really, fully pay attention based upon all the education that you're going to get with the instructors, then you're going to have it's going to be a breeze for you to really trade. So I would say on a recent, because I didn't trade today, but recently a $200 day in a couple of minutes, even using our HFX platform, money in minutes. If I want to set my expiration for 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes, that's an easy, quick $200, in a period of time. I would say, and even with getting those trade notifications through our phone for Forex through I still utilize, or I still put in my trades for that. So I just have to say all of it. I just love I love the platform. I don't care what is going on in the world. I'm going to make sure that I am present and I am active in this platform.
Come on, I know that, y'all. Period. Okay. She said, I love all of them. And that is like a hard question, like which product, because each product yields us a result. It yields us profits. Okay. Profits over wages any day. Okay. So
Absolutely.
guys, you all may be listening, maybe tuning in. If you just tuned in, you're a little late. All you got to do is go back and push the replay. We're not going to be here before you long. It is well deserving of a good night's rest. We done had a long, productive day, and it's still, some time before 2022 for you guys to get positioned. What do you need to do? Connect with us. You see the little scrolling at the bottom. It says connect with us now. Earn income for the holidays. Don't just be spending. We definitely want to position you and your family. Let me tell you, when you make a decision to partner with us, you're not only helping you, but you helping you, your spouse, your siblings, your children's children, even if they're unborn, the generations to come. This is how we build wealth, and we're going to show you and tap you in to our amazing resource and academy. Just get started today. DM myself. That is my Instagram follow, as well as on Facebook, on YouTube. Just look up Latasha Boss Chick. That's BOSSCHIC. No K at the end. And Kimberly, what is your Instagram, your main one that you want them to look you up at?
Money Chemistry, actually, for the investment side. But if you have to get on the other side, Kimberly McKinney is fine. Either way,
Kimberly McKinney. Yeah. All right, that's how you reach us, ladies. We would love to work with you. But again, you got to be coachable. You got to be willing to invest. All right. You got to make a decision. All right. So don't call, don't inbox me asking a whole lot of questions. What I'm going to tell you is follow your gut, follow your instincts. If you know you've been watching for a while, you know this is something you've been interested in and want to do, just do it, guys. The least thing that can happen, the least is that you learned a little bit, right? Absolutely. Even in the first 30 days, if you give it an attempt and you say, I don't think it's for me, guess what? There are no contracts. You can cancel your membership, but I tell you this is not just your hot and ready microwave society. Wealth is long-term, all right? You can go broke easily every day. That's quick, right? But when you talk about building wealth, you got to have some patience. We're going to teach you a skill set. This is knowledge that you're going to acquire, and it's so worth it. It'll change your life. So God bless you. We hope you decide to partner with us this holiday and definitely make a wise decision. Start building assets. Don't just be a big consumer. Be wise and become an investor. Diversify your finances. God bless you. Have a good night. Thank you so much, Kimberly, for being my guest tonight.
Thank you. Thank you so
God
much.
Bless. Hold on. I got to pay. Play some trap music before we go.
Yes. Let's go. Let's go.
Holiday trap music. Oh, it was on the other phone. Well, y'all connect with us. Connect with us as we're still here. Make sure you inbox us. We are available. My website, actually, you can go to my website if you want to connect with me. It's a join button there. Just hit join. It's sayyesandwin.com. Sayyesandwin.com. And then Kimberly, she told you how to reach her. Kim, do you have a site yet or no?
I'm gonna be launching that beginning of the year. I got some stuff coming down the pipeline.
Awesome. All right, let's go with our trap music. We out. Hey, hey. Have a Merry Crypto Christmas with us. Get connected. Bye-bye.